Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to build a real financial dashboard in Power BI from scratch with your own data, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up essential financial reports, including a balance sheet and income statement, and display them with clear, interactive visuals. Whether you're prepping for a business analysis, an interview, or just curious how accountants use data, you'll walk away with practical skills you can actually use. Let's dive right in. First up is the income statement, sometimes called the profit and loss, or P&L. This is key for tracking a business's performance piece by piece over each year. Here, what our sample data looks like. We have revenue, cost of sales, operating expenses, and tax for both 2023 and 2024. Think of revenue as all money coming in the door, cost of sales as direct expenses to create the product or service, operating expenses as those day-to-day running costs, and tax as, you guessed it, the hit from the government. What we really care about here is net income, the actual profit after all costs and taxes. For 2023, we do the math: 100,000 minus 60,000 minus 20,000 minus 5,000. That leaves us with 15,000. For 2024, same process: 120,000 minus 70,000 minus 25,000 minus 6,000, leaving 19,000. Net income is super important because it's the bottom line for how well the business did. If you're ever looking at a company's financial statements, this is probably the number people care most about. Next, let's look at the balance sheet. A balance sheet shows what a business owns and owes at a moment in time, kind of like a snapshot of its financial position. Our sample data includes cash, accounts receivable, that's money owed to the business, like outstanding invoices, and inventory. These are assets or things the business owns. Then on the other side, we see accounts payable, the company's bills and short-term debts, and equity, which is what the owners have invested or earned. For both 2023 and 2024, the numbers change, showing how the business's financial health evolves. Don't worry if these terms feel a bit new, they're totally normal in business, and as you start plugging them into Power BI, they'll make a lot more sense. Alright, let's get hands-on with Power BI. First, open Power BI Desktop and start a new project. To start, we'll copy our income statement data, just the simple table with account, year, and amount. In Power BI, go to the Home tab and click Enter Data. You can paste your numbers right in. It really is that easy, and if you make a typo, you can always edit later. Next, do the same for your balance sheet data. Click Enter Data again to create a second dataset. Keeping these separate is helpful because your P&L and your balance sheet usually answer very different business questions. Now comes the fun part, creating visuals. For each dataset, go to the Visualizations pane and choose Matrix or Table. This keeps your income statement and balance sheet organized by year and account. Want viewers to see the key numbers quicker. Add card visuals for revenue, net income, or equity. Cards give you a sharp, easy-to-read summary at a glance. To show how profits are trending over time, use a column chart. Just set it up for net income by year. If you've entered the data right, you'll instantly see the business's progress from 2023 to 2024. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've got a working mini dataset and dashboard ready to test your financial reporting skills in Power BI. Give yourself a pat on the back. Even with just sample numbers, you now see how professional financial insights take shape. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more advanced examples. Subscribe for more Power BI tutorials and data tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.